What's up? It's Gabriel and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over code for number guesser. Stay tuned. Alright, time to code the number guesser code. First we need to import random. This imports the random library, and then we have to guess. No, answer is equal to random dot rand int 110. So what I basically did here is answer is set to a random integer between 1 and 10, and then we're going to do guess. We're going to do while. Well, we need to, before we do while, we need to do status equals true, make a boolean, and we're going to do while status. So while status, while true, do the following code, and you got to indent so that it goes into the while statement. This is what you got to do. Guess equals input guess a number between 1 and 10. Oh, let's make it quotes. Guess a number. Guess a number. And guess is gonna be, we gotta make it an int though. So we're gonna cast it. We're gonna make it int. So this makes this input. It asks the user for a number, and it will take it as a string, but then we cast it with an int. Casting is when you put it next to parentheses, and we're making it. And now let's make our conditions. If guess is less than answer, then do the following. Print guess is we got to put in quotes, guess is too low. Now if you want to do a second conditioning, else, you do an else if guess is greater than answer. You put a colon, and then you indent so that it goes inside, so it follows this else if statement. You say print guess, in quotes, guess is too high. And then anything else, you lastly end it with an else. So if the number is not less than the answer, the guess is not greater than the answer, then the guess is the answer. So you print you guessed the right number. And again, this needs to be in quotes, so let me put a quote. And then we need to get out of our while loop, so status equals false. Status equals false. And that will get rid of, this will get us out of our while loop. So let's run this code. Guess a number. Here we go. We're going to guess a number. 1, too low. Let's guess 5. Too low. 9. Too high. 7. Too high. 8. Too high. 6. You guessed the right number. So this is just an easy way to make a number guesser program. This is the video, so write any comments down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Alright, this is for those that wanted a further explanation of the code. Here's my detail. So this imports the random library. This stores, creates, and stores a variable named answer with a number between 1 and 10. The next part, we got status equals true. We probably would want to make it a play again. Play again. And we'll leave it as status equals true. This is our condition for the while loop. And then we have the while the following is true, while true, do the following code. That's basically what it does. The while is while status, so while true, we're going to do the following code. Guess is equal, guess becomes whatever integer the user enters, and then we got our first condition. First condition, if the guess is too low, it's going to print out it's too low. If the guess is too high, this is our second condition. Second condition, and we're going to print it out, guess is too high if the guess is bigger than the answer. And then anything else, we're going to say guess was the right answer, and we're going to exit out the while loop. This exit out the while loop. So just keep in mind when you're coding and when you're using a while statement, you have to indent so that all this code is in the while loop, and you indent here for the if statement. All this is in this if, then the else if, and then there's an else. So this is just a little bit further detail on the code. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.